Welcome back. So this is the first point where you'll see the technical stuff. So what we need is we need to go to the Google Search Console. So what you need is you need to first submit your website to Google Search Console, and then it gives you a lot of data. Here you can see performance overview and the URL inspections and indexing. So what you need is you need to find some of the issues in your from your Google Search Console. Here you can see pages. So if you have some of the pages that are not crawled or not indexed by Google, you can find all those pages, and you can of course also see what are the reasons that your pages are not being crawled or not indexed by Google. Sitemap, we can see that, if you have submitted the sitemaps, removals, temporary removals, outdated content, search lists, search filters. Cache updates are no longer available. You can still request snippet updates. So this is another thing. Experience, here you can see core web vitals. If your blog is not mobile responsive, so it gives you here some of the suggestions. If you're not, if your website, of course, is not desktop friendly, it also gives you some of the suggestions. Here, HTTPS. So you get to see some of the issues from here, using Google Search Console. I recommend you guys to, explore this tool yourself and see some of the problems that uh, your website is facing. And then come to the Google Analytics. Here you get to see a lot about what are the pages that they're ranking, what are the pages, and from where you're getting traffic. So this is another way you can see using these two tools and find out problems regarding SEO audit. So let me show you a tool which is free, SEO, sitecheckup.com. So here what you need is you need to you can also put your URL here and then click on checkup. So it gives you an overall, report of how your site is doing and what are the issues your site is facing and what are the problems that you need to solve in order to rank high in Google. It takes a little bit of time. Here you can see it gives you a report, 4 warnings, 4 failed. So give it some time and see, meta title test. It gives you some of the suggestions that you need to add. Here you can see 10 failed, 5 warnings. The overall score is, over 83, but you can improve it, of course, 10 failed, 5 warnings, and yes. So these are the suggestions that you need to check out. Oh, that's pretty much it, I guess. In the next video, you will see some of the tools for SEO audits. So see you there.